Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to the display, so it's here, and now select wallpaper. It's time to choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from your gallery photos, one from live wallpapers, photos, or ALCATEL's wallpapers. So let me pick the last option, so one from the Android wallpapers. As you can see, you've got plenty possibilities here. Just select the one that you like most. It can be this green one, files of green, and then click on Set Wallpaper. And from now on, as you can see, brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. So that is all. From now on you can change your wallpaper whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.